Hey YouTube, Capital City Bricks. Got a package. This came from FedEx today. This is all the way from Hungary, the country. I believe this is from We Love What You Build. They actually had this on Instagram, and I bought it in December, I think it was. Early December. And I just got it today. So it's been stuck in clearance for 2 weeks, or a little over 2 weeks in Memphis. So it came today, and as you can see, it's a little bit banged up. I'm hoping the contents on the inside are okay. So let's open it up, see what we got. I actually have two cameras going. I have my Logitech filming on one side over here, and then I've got my phone over here. So let's open it up, see what we have. Oh, that's really bright. Whoops. Let me move it back. There we go. So I took some pictures of the box just in case for insurance purposes. And again, it's... Oh, okay. All right. Well, I'm a little bit more happy. So inside is another box. All right, so there's no instructions or anything like that. So let me get a cutter. And we're gonna open this one up. I have been waiting for this. I figured I would have had it by Christmas, but I didn't get it, so no big deal. All right, so in it is the periodic table of Lego elements. Very impressive, very, very nice. On each of the color codes has a part. Actually, I'm going to use the Logitech. Whoop. So, as you can see here, very, very impressive. It's on a piece of thick board. Let me see if I can. I'm trying to be fancy. So here's the board. It's very, very nice. Over here, it has the Bricklink ID, the Bricklink name, and of course the Lego name. And I would have to say I am highly impressed with this. I think it looks very, very good. I'm going to take the phone off of the tripod. Because this is actually going to film better. So there it is. The periodic table of the Lego colors. And to give you an idea, there's all your translucent colors. Trans green, trans medium blue, and they even got the glitter colors. And then here's all the other colors: light gray, magenta, medium blue, dark turquoise, olive green, dark green, sand green, magenta, bright light blue, dark blue, bright green. This is a very, very well done item. And it's very, very. I'm highly impressed by this. And again, there's all the Let me lift it up. I cannot speak any more highly of this than what you see. I am impressed. And I'll lift it. So there's the board. It's on a piece of thick board. And let's turn it over very carefully. And on the back it does have a thing to hang it. But my goal is to actually have this custom framed through either Michael. It's probably going to go through Michael's, because you know the parts are pretty high. But I suggest you go out there. We love what you build. You can do a Google search, or it might pop up on your Instagram feed. And when I saw this, I said I had to have it. So again, I am very impressed with the quality. I mean, I'm not gonna mess around with the colors or the parts because it looks like they're glued on there. I would safely assume that they're, you know, it's not meant to pick apart, but literally pick apart. So what you could do is you could literally just go up here and match up your color. I think it's more of a conversation piece than anything else. It was $40 and it included the international priority FedEx shipping. But again, it was held up for 2 weeks in customs. But I suggest you go get one. I would highly recommend it. It arrived safe. It was in the box. Of course, the outer box was a little banged up, but I was concerned. But I think this would make a nice addition to any Lego fan, from K-Fall to old A-Fall. Not saying that you're old, but you know, from young from young at age to young at heart. I think it'll be a real good. I think it would make a really good addition. So with that being said, I'm gonna go out here and see if I can find the some Michael's coupons and maybe have this baby framed. It'll have to go into a shadow box, and that's fine with me, but it's going to get framed. I'm going to probably work on that this weekend. All right, I appreciate everybody watching. Remember to stay safe, wash those Lego hands, and be sure to check out We Love What You Build and pick one of these up for yourself today. You won't be disappointed. All right, everybody have a great day. Play well. Stay safe. See you in the next video.